Yeah, I'm planning on putting a window right, and the door, just gonna cut out to a double door window. The garage I was working on. Over here, we got the first bedroom downstairs. Closet. First bedroom right here. It's gonna be like the living area right here. Kitchen area. And over here, we're gonna have the pantry, washroom. Planning on opening this up, turning it into a door, so I can access over here. We'll go out there soon. All right, let me show you upstairs. Guys, my signal's really weak, so just bear with me. This is the master bedroom right here. I'm thinking the entrance a little bit too wide. It's the balcony of the bedroom. Plenty of wind. It's really windy. His and hers closet. This is the master bathroom. I'm planning on putting a jacuzzi over here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need it, but I had it wired for air conditioning. Just in case. It's really cold up here. Real cold right now. I'm loving this piece right here. Let me show you this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the ceiling yet. Maybe you guys can give me an idea. We got a closet here, another closet here. All right. And this is another bedroom. Again, I got the air conditioning for here, just in case. Never know. Okay, we have another bedroom over here. Closet. Okay, and we have one more bedroom right over here. Right here. Closet. the bathroom. I don't. Okay, I guess the shower is going to be there, the toilet's there, and the face basin, if I'm not mistaken. Should be. Oh, I'm trying to, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a ramp from here, maybe like a little circle like type thing, to go back over there and put a door right there so I could access the top of the roof right there. I'll have that part. And this part right here to entertain one. All right. All right, I'm planning on closing up this window because from the original builders, they did something I didn't like. They had, this is a window, this is a window, and this is a door. I never liked it. So I gotta close this up. I'm keeping this as a garage door. Open this a little wider. And probably put a window there, I'm not sure yet. I'm working on this balcony also here. Veranda, whatever they call it, I don't know. So that's not quite complete yet, but I'm not too much loving the front part of the house. Let me back up and show you. I'm working on it, trying to get it to be, trying to get it better. I don't know, some kind of, yeah, actually I'm gonna bring this all the way up. And this right here, it's like a rail around, go around type thing. This is not the color I picked. The sun burned it out, and this is the color I'm stuck with. But I'm gonna repaint it later. Okay, we're going right to the back now. Just got the step done recently. So like I said earlier, I'm planning on opening that up to a door so I could bring my clothes out, like when I wash them, bring them outside and hang them up. Fresh air. Okay. All right. This is what I'm working on also. I'm working on this down. I'm gonna try to rent this out, get this rent out as soon as possible. So I'm fixing it up. Hopefully it should be done by, hopefully at least by February. This is the washroom. Big washroom, wow. All this got to be filled in, of course. Right here I have a concrete countertop. I have to call someone, I may have to make a cabinet for me underneath and get the sink put in. It's a working process. This is a 1-bedroom. It's really small and cozy. So it should be finished and rented. Up a little bit more to like maybe a little bit to window height, and I'm gonna leave it like that. I might enclose the whole thing later on in life to get more space. It's gonna be the front entrance right here. So I'm gonna probably put a steps, make a steps in the middle, and bring this wall up. Bring this wall up a little bit also. Not put no grill on this. All right, guys, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it. See what else I can show you guys while I'm here.